All right, so since there's really nothing much to say about the physical layer, because uh, in this course we're really looking at the digital side of networking, I'd like to just skip that and start with the second one, the data link layer. The data link layer is a second layer in the OSI, Open Systems Interconnection, 7-layer reference model. Now, it responds to service requests from the network layer above it and issues service requests to the physical layer below it, right? So the data link layer is responsible for encoding bits into packets prior to transmission and then decoding the packets back into bits at the destination. And bits, by the way, are the most basic unit of information in computing and communications. Packets are the fundamental unit of information transport in all modern computer networks, and increasingly in other communications networks as well. So the data link layer is also responsible for logical link control, media access control, hardware addressing, error detection, and handling and defining physical layer standards. It provides reliable data transfer by transmitting packets with the necessary synchronization, error control, and flow control. The data link layer is divided into two sublayers. First, the media access control, MAC sublayer, that governs protocol access to the physical network medium. Through the MAC addresses that are typically assigned to all ports on a router, multiple devices on the same physical link can uniquely identify one another at the data link layer. MAC addresses are used in addition to the network addresses that are typically configured manually on ports within a network. Now, secondly, the logical link control, or LLC sublayer, manages communications between devices over a single link of a network. This sublayer supports fields in link layer frames that enable multiple higher layer protocols to share a single physical link. So here we have some protocols in the data link layer and some physical media and connection methodologies in the physical layer. Ethernet and 802.11 wireless LAN are the best-known protocols of the data link layer. Ethernet is the name of the most commonly used network protocol that controls how data is transmitted over a LAN, which is a local area network. Now, you need to have a network interface card in the device that you want to connect to the network. I know it probably seems pretty obvious to you, but I just wanted to make sure that we're all on the same page. A wireless local area network, or WLAN, is a wireless computer network protocol that links two or more devices using wireless communication within a limited area, such as a home or school, computer lab, or office building. Now, this gives users the ability to move around within a local coverage area and still be connected to the network. Most modern WLANs are based on the IEEE 802.11 standard and are marketed under the Wi-Fi brand name.